Hey there, are you exercising regularly? There are a number of reasons why going to the gym is impossible for some of us. Not only are we always busy, memberships cost an arm and a leg. And I don't know about you, but I need my limbs for this exercise. So does this mean that you have to stay unfit? Nope. You can still get a crazy workout. All you need is a resistance band for your calories to go bye-bye. In today's video, we're talking about the best at-home resistance band workouts. What's a Flye? How do you do glute bridges? What about front squats? We're talking all this and more. Number 1. Flye. Resistance bands are slowly becoming more popular. This is one of the most inexpensive gym tools you can order online. There's no maintenance cost either. I wish I had gotten resistance bands before I decided to splurge on a treadmill. Resistance bands can be used by anyone, no matter if they're a beginner or an advanced fitness expert. They have something to offer for everybody. Normally, strength exercises focus on bigger groups of muscles, but resistance band exercises are great for smaller groups of muscles that function as stabilizers in your body. If you're looking for exercises for strengthening your chest muscles, go for the Flye. It targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Chest exercises using a resistance band give you the same results as dumbbells and barbells. The only difference is your joints are safer and it's a lot more flexible. Chest resistance workouts provide muscle building tension. Plus, they can be used anywhere. Now, here's how you do it. Number 1. Split your legs and stand both your feet flat on the ground. Number 2. Wrap the band around your back and under your arms. Love challenges? Put it over your arms. Number 3. Grab the end of your bands with your hands. Your palms should be facing each other. Bring your arms to the front and center so your arms can be extended forward with the slightest bend of your elbow. Number 4. Your hands should be aligned with your spine, making it at a lower level than your shoulders. Number 5. Pull the band using your hands. Open your chest up slowly until the band is making a straight line and your arms and hands are at your sides. Number 6. Keep the momentum going and bring your hands or arms at the starting position, front and center. Number 7. Repeat it until you complete a few sets. Since you're a beginner, 10 reps should be enough. Increase them as you gain strength. Do you love doing fun exercises like the Flye? What other interesting exercises do you enjoy? Share with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Front squats. Are you planning on doing front squats with resistance bands? It may be a great way to work on your legs and knees. That means a lot of pressure is taken off from your back and knees. Many renowned coaches use the front squat as a technique to evaluate the flexibility of the trainees. A study conducted in 2009 suggests that squats are effective tools to maintain your overall muscle health. The study favored back squats over front squats, but if you're a beginner, you should start with front squats, as they're a bit easier on your knees. And when you bring a resistance band in, you have a powerful exercise that builds strength and burns calories. Experts already favor resistance training, as it stimulates your muscles. Moderate to high intensity training is even better. So why not get the best of both worlds? Squats and resistance bands build strength in your lower body muscles. You'll find that you have good posture now, and in case you have back pain, it'll be gone. Just be careful of your form while you exercise. Correct form is key in any workout. Excited to get started? Here's how to do it. Number 1. Stand on the resistance band with your legs split apart. Number 2. The split should be wider than your shoulders. Number 3. Now, bring the top of the band up to your shoulders. Number 4. Lower into a squat with your chest up and your knees over your toes. Number 5. Push to your starting position. Number 6. Repeat and complete the sets. You can do 10 to 15 reps. Number 3. One-arm bicep curls. If you want big muscular arms, the one-arm bicep curl is the right exercise for you. Curls work on the bicep muscles at the front of the upper arm and also on the muscles of the lower arm. You normally use these muscles to pick things up in your daily life. Arm curls help you build strength and teach you to use the muscles correctly. Let's look at how to do it. Number 1. Sit on a chair, step, or on your heels. Number 2. Tuck the resistance band under your right knee and hold it by your right hand. Number 3. Pull it towards your right shoulder against the resistance of the band. Number 4. Make sure that your upper arm remains stationary during this. Number 5. Keep your elbow 90 degrees to your shoulder and close to your body. Number 6. Release slowly and come back to your original position. Number 7. Complete one set on one side and move to the other. Begin this exercise by doing 15 reps on each side. Make sure your back is straight the entire time. Before we move ahead, here's a video you might like. Exercises sure make you healthy, but you need to eat healthy too. Here's a video that talks about a superfood that does wonders for your body. Watch and learn. Number 4. Side laying hip abduction. I know it's a funny name for an exercise, but boy does it work. It involves moving your leg away from the midline of your body. You repeat this in your daily life almost regularly while stepping out of the car and getting out of bed. This exercise is targeted towards the muscles, which are instrumental to your movement. I'm talking about walking, standing, stepping, etc. These muscles are so important, yet we hardly acknowledge them. If you want a soft yet toned back like those TV ads, hip abduction exercises are the safest bet. They're also great for treating hip and back pains. Here's how you do it. Number 1. Lie on either of your sides with your hips and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Number 2. Loop the resistance band just over your knees. Number 3. Raise the upper leg to pull your knees apart while contracting your glutes for 2 to 3 seconds. Number 4. Slowly return to your original position. Number 5. Complete all your sets on one side, then move to the other. Do 15 repetitions of this exercise. Aim to increase your count every week. Number 5. Glute bridge. This is one of the most complex yet rewarding exercises. It engages your glute muscles, core, lower back, and hips. It'll strengthen and shape up your butt, help to get rid of pain, and improve your overall performance. It's an excellent daily exercise, especially for people who aren't able to perform squats due to back issues as well as knee and hip pain. In this exercise, you can simply lay down and work on the muscles without putting too much pressure on your joints. They'll also help you run faster and jump higher as they strengthen the hip and leg muscles used in these activities. Ready to try it out for yourself? Here's how to do it. Number 1. Loop the resistance band just above your knees. Number 2. Lie on your back with your feet on the floor and your knees folded at 90 degrees and hands at the side of your body. Number 3. Lift your toes off the floor. Number 4. Raise your hips to form a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Number 5. Contract your glutes throughout this entire process. Number 6. Lower your hips to the floor to return to your original position. Complete 15 reps of this exercise. Number 6. Splitter. Band splitters can help you get stronger. They will also look like you're in tremendous physical shape. The backside of your shoulders often gets ignored. There can never be enough exercise for your back. This exercise will promote your joint integrity, along with increasing strength, mobility, and flexibility in your hips and shoulders. Splitter does its work on 2 major body parts. Your weak hips get stronger and your shoulders become more shapely. Splitter makes it possible to work on your shoulder blade muscles. While doing splitters, you need to ensure that your shoulder blades are pinched together. Now, here's how you do it. Number 1. Stand straight with your back. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. Number 2. Now slightly bend your knees. Number 3. Hold tight onto the shoulder width section of the resistance band with both hands. Your hands should be in front of you at shoulder level. Number 4. Keep pulling the band out and back in, contracting your shoulder blades. Your arms should be straight. Do 10 repetitions of this exercise. Did you like any of these exercises? Are you going to include any of these resistance band workouts in your daily exercise regimen? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.